Paul, it's good to have you. What do you make of Facebook's move?
I think Facebook and big tech in general is, a few factors. The first is you're less likely to see regulation of the group under a Biden presidency. Not that there was really all that much of a threat under a Trump presidency. It's a lot more bark than bite. But secondly, I think what you have to take into account is that there's no real chance at the Republican tax cuts getting repealed now that you have the Senate likely in control of the Republican Party. So that's another factor. And then third, I think what you're going to see is if you have a Republican Senate, they're more likely to be tight with the purse strings for any sort of stimulus bill that Biden wants. And what that's going to do is that's going to crimp growth in the short term a little bit here and make growth stocks that have growth more dear and scarcer. And stocks like Facebook and these big tech stocks, which are showing growth and consistent growth, look more attractive in that light.
Yeah, I know people also talked about, the prospect of selling these winners if it were like a blue wave with the potential of big tax hikes coming and that sort of thing. Maybe that's off the table. And also on the regulatory front, I mean, are those the right conclusions to draw, that this version of the Senate will be, potentially less impactful to big tech than a stronger blue wave would have been?
I mean, if you saw a Democratic control of the Senate, you're more likely to see those tax cuts that the Republicans passed in the last administration repealed. And like you said, people are going to sell to avoid the increased capital gains. But, I think overall what we're looking at here is that we look back at the market here and we're focusing on the last time we saw uncertainty, which was 2000. And there's fears that the uncertainty caused by that period had market weakness. But I think when you look back at 2000, there were other factors at play. We already saw a downtrend in the market environment, which was, the tech sector and the tech bubble had already burst at that point. So I think the uncertainty of the election wasn't really the factor behind the 2000 weakness in late December.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.